the largest city in the province of Riau Islands, Indonesia. A great place to have a cheap getaway, and that's what the Singaporeans are doing if they want an affordable step away from their busy lives. But not everything comes cheap. But Batam is also where you depart from if you booked your exclusive luxurious holiday in Bawah Reserve. By ferry from Singapore, where the Bawah host is already welcoming you, to the seaplane that flies you to Bawah Reserve in about 80 minutes. Welcome to paradise. This little piece of untouched wilderness in the Indonesian archipelago is the place to be. We were on a trip to implement our E-Hors software, but it felt we were on a holiday for a good part of our time there. Although we were extremely busy, we had time to explore the amazing beauty of the island. And this is our beautiful room in Bawah Reserve. It's so nice. The luxury villas so serene, so unique in design and comfort. The amenities were simply great. When there was a photo shoot for the island, I was asked to be a model, an honor I surely accepted. I had some great social time with the staff, and we made a very relaxing kayak trip to the neighboring island where new villas were under construction. Today, they are ready for occupancy. However, COVID is not helpful and currently Bawah Reserve is closed.
We all is one, there is two people one.
Hello! Say hello, this is a video.
Hello.
We made it!
has many hidden solutions implemented to preserve nature, from mosquito to wastewater management. It is worth to read the full story about Bawah Reserve. Bawah Reserve proves that sustainability and five-star hospitality can fit together. Pristine water, great dive or snorkeling, beautiful spa, amazing accommodation, golf carts that drive you around when you wish to, and people that make you feel happy and home. Truly an experience, which, in our view, is way beyond well known places like Maldives or Seychelles. If you have the budget, a stay at Bawah Reserve is something you will never forget.